Hello, welcome back to the Throttle Cable. Hi and welcome to the Throttle Cable. Welcome to the Throttle Cable. Welcome back to the Throttle Cable. I'll be doing a bit more work on the 996 today. I picked up some RSS semi-solid engine mounts, but I've got my hands on some H&R lowering spring, a new Rennline shift knob, which I'm going to fit. Super excited to say, a 1997 vintage Momo Mod Step 7 steering wheel, a centre console delete. Well, I've got the radio back in and crikey, they look amazing.
My spanner on the side of this where torque, just to give it a bit more torque. On the
turn my steering wheel ever so slightly. Off goes the horn. Ooh, she looks good.
I wanted to give a quick mention to where the car's been as well.
Oh, okay.
I can immediately feel a difference in the gear shift.
That they've hidden up and out the way, and it's a doddle to do because race car. So hopefully that's helpful. If you like the videos, please subscribe, follow the channel, and it helps keep the channel alive. Thanks guys.